of usage of filter, and I wanted to monitor all the ETX file. I will come here, define it. I wanted to use ETX column, or like if you want to use like what areas or whatever, I wanted to define name. I wanted to see the duration that way, and I think date should be there. Activation date. We can add more also, like there might be something missing, okay? For name and duration. Descending, that's it. Now I should be able to see all the files. Now we can monitor it based on some specific metadata information. For example, I have some categories created here. I think request, action request equals to archive request. This is going to be useful for you guys because we will give some this actions like information to your library users, okay, other NRCS users, where they would be able to create some kind of a request. So action request equals archive request. I can save it. Archive request. Save. That's it. And now I came here. I add one other filter. Name it. Okay, let's make it little bigger, 2 by 1, or I can make it even 4 by 1. Filter archive request. I want you to monitor. Maybe I think it will just come automatically. What column you wanted to see? Name, duration, or duration. Category 1, category 2, 3, that way. So all these columns are going to be visible, whatever you want to see it. I can edit it again, and you can remove whatever you want, like category 2, 3, I don't want to see. Or maybe I wanted to see keywords, or modified date, and keywords. You will be able to see if there would be any kind of keyword. Okay, now let me show you how to modify it. So I will go back to this tab. This is like, you don't modify it. We will not give you access to modify these things because it's based on the system data. All raw files are by default raw. Like whenever users from ingest are ingesting, it will by default raw. Whenever Finnish users are dropping, it will commercial headlines based on their workflow. It's all coming, okay? Automatic created. Category 3 is for you. Now you wanted to archive this clip. You have this clip from ingest or from wherever, like in Finnish. Now you wanted to
category 3 or 4 name archive category, AR category or AR category 1, 2,
actually it's a unified category, we have defined it. So
we can add more category.
Not actually, like these are like categories. So if you want some different, we can add some different metadata also, okay? So right now, because we wanted to make it global so everybody can see it. We need help also from your side if you want any other metadata information which is not there, okay? We will make it customized. For example, this is my business, or I want you to see it, okay? And then there would be a keywords or name or note, whatever you want to define it. I think keywords is not here. I will add keyword, okay? But I think from your side, because you guys know what kind of metadata you need, you give me the list. We will remove like all the non-usage metadata, okay? So you will see only that. So I can just define, okay, this is my keyword, okay? Today's, or like some special words, whatever you want, word, news, make it with comma, news, and USA, you know, like that way. And see,
if I add more keyword, then it will be easier to find
yes.
I can search with keyword.
You can. That's what you can do. We do have timeline annotation also on the second plug. Okay, this is going to be useful for you. You click on this plus, define one. Okay, add. Click on this. Now I can do one thing. Okay, from here, this guy was talking about something. Okay, he's talking about USA news. Okay, Trump is mad. Let's take it. Okay.
Actually, Trump is mad.
Trump is mad.
Trump knows. You think about.
I will tell them it was somebody from Star News. Then I can click another one new. Okay, it's like another new. Yeah, it's done. Okay, and I can click another one. Okay. from this segment, this guy is talking about something else, like it's a marker I'm creating. Okay?
That means that in one video I can find different and add different kinds of
Right.
information.
It's a kind of subtitle. If you have some kind of a subtitle file for something, we can even give you option to import it automatically. I will also try to check with my team if we can somehow automate it. Okay, because if it's English, it's very easy. But in Bangla, it's like quite difficult. Okay, because I'm not sure whether it will work or not. But we have a tool for English, it works automatically. But this way you can do it. Okay, like Bangladesh election. Okay.
বাংলা শিখছিলাম কিছুদিন আগে
It's okay. Sorry, spelling mistake. Sometimes like my eyes is also like bad, Okay, news about Bangladesh. Okay, now I want you to search for that. If you will search here,
It will show only that duration video, right?
everything you will. I can click on this TLA, timeline annotation full text.
Timeline what?
Timeline allocation.
Allocation.
Yes,
Yes,
you have timeline.
I clicked it, you see it is showing. This text is here on this timeline annotation field, exactly at this location.
From eto to eto duration.
Yes. Okay, so that's how like, right now this thumbnail is not working, but it is going to work, okay? So don't worry about this. I will activate it right now. Because my colleague is setting up another workflow for finish and those things. If you will click it, it will just take you over there. And even there is a way I can just click the TLA. Okay. It should take me to the TLA directly, but it's showing like it's there, and you can just open
I
it
can play from
and you can just see. Okay, this is my TLA. Okay.
শোভন ভাই, আমাদের এগুলো সব ফাইল কি এগুলো দেখানো হচ্ছে এগুলো কি ডিটিপি থাকে নাকি আমাদের অর্ডার থাকে?
সব DTP.
Okay, everything is on DDP right now. Okay, and these files. So ideally, you should see only DDP files, no video server, nothing. Okay, because it will create confusions, right? I would restrict you to see only DDP finish and ingest.
दादा उस दिन मीटिंग में आप बोला न्यूज़ वालों को वो हम लोग तो
नहीं चाहिए।
खा लेंगे दादा वो
Okay.
सोचा हाँ no that time बाबू भाई मीटिंग I asked you जे from all to say देख सकते हैं
हाँ, देख सकते हैं।
तो देन वो लोग क्यों नहीं देख सकते
कौन? नहीं, ये तो देखेंगे।
आर्काइव का ऑल्टो का फाइल
हाँ, वो तो
View
फाइल
कर सकते
देख सकते हैं।
Okay, okay.
वो तो सबके लिए नॉर्मल है, बिकॉज आई टेल यू लॉजिक क्या है उसके पीछे, बिकॉज इट्स प्रॉक्सी फाइल, बट एक्शंस they won't be able to do anything because otherwise वो स्टोरेज
ऑल्टो का लोरेज का
सब कुछ लोरेस वाली फाइल में, लोरेस वाले स्टोरेज में आपका जो लोरेस है. ओके, नाउ लेट मी शो यू वन थिंग. सो इस फाइल को इफ यू वांटेड टू आर्काइव इट, okay, or whatever you want to do it, so we have this spyglass. I will save it here. It's saved already now. Okay,
হ্যাঁ বলো আচ্ছা সে ধরে আছে আন্টি
this is my action button.
আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে
That's how you are supposed to use the archive, like send to archive. Delete button will not be visible for you, and retrieve will not. Yeah, because I think right now I did not enable permission for now. So I will go to my user management and click here. I can go this, click action right. So that's how like I have enabled it. Download, I have disabled it, send to archive.
আপু ভিডিও করতে হবে না, এই ভিডিওটা পাবেন আপনারা, এটাই পাবেন ভিডিও, আপনি দেখেন ভালো করে.
Okay. I might have to log out.
এই Gemini
So you would get an option here, send to archive and retrieve from archive. Ideally, these actions are going to be visible to you only. Archive request, it's not for you, we will disable it. Okay? Because why would you request yourself? Right? It's only for the external users. And deletion request is also, maybe we wanted to give you deletion rights also at the same time. Because so you would be able to manage complete library by yourself. And so delete request will also come to you if something is not automatic deleted. You can delete it, like commercials and all those things. So whatever you want to delete it, you can.
So we have to click every time after we have to click every time save button after adding some keywords or images.
Yeah, you have to save it. What happened? Some problem?
No, just okay.
Okay. Send to archive, refresh. Maybe if I will log out and log in, then it should work and should show it. Okay, I can click any file, or maybe I can just search. Okay.
File.
Bangladesh or election.
Sure.
USA. Oh, so many files.
Shubhai. No.
Click on this file, send to archive. These words are here, okay? So that's how you can send this file to archive. Let's try it. If it's not
Then
not found with the device, it just try. I'll check it out. Maybe it's not set up. So, but you would be able to use these two buttons only, okay? And then this delete. There would be a delete option for you. So you would be able to delete. You would be able to send to archive and retrieve for archive.
Delete
These-
from DTP, right?
Yes, delete. It will delete from you. But ideally it's all automatic. Ideally it's all automatic. You, मैं तो like I would suggest maybe we should disable it for you because deletion is all automatic. Okay. If you want to protect some files, so there is a way to protect it, and technical team will tell you about this. Okay. But that's how like you're supposed to use it. Now I would suggest you one thing. If you will just, I will create one user for you. Let me just check it out. Library, okay, there is no user currently. Let me create one user. What should I name it? Library 1 or library? Library at starnews.com. This email has no
লাইব্রেরি নাম দিয়ে দিবেন না আর্কাইভ নাম দিয়ে দিবেন ইউজার
Archive দিয়ে দাও।
Archive
বুঝে নাই কিন্তু আর্কাইভ
ব্রডার অ্যাসপেক্টে গেছে।
হ্যাঁ
ইমেইলটা চেঞ্জ করতে হবে আগে
Oh, it will not work. We have not activated it. It's just for because we need to add it.
ওকে
Okay, yeah. So password is archive. You can change it if you want.
সব স্মল লেটার
Yeah. Or small. Save it and I will make it a part of our library group. Okay. Where is it?
স্ট্যান্ড নিয়ে আসলে। স্ট্যান্ড নিয়ে আসলে।
হ্যাঁ সমস্যা নেই, হাত থেকে স্ট্যান্ড, হিউম্যান স্ট্যান্ড,
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ।
হিউম্যান স্ট্যান্ড।
Okay. Library. Let me check what permission you are having right now. Access rights. So category 1, category 2 edit, I think ideally no. Why to do it? It will be all following the category 3 only. Keywords, name, edit. So this is what like we have given you as an option for the editing, okay? And owner, primary edit. Video editors, send to archive, create assets, delete you have permissions, create placeholder. So ideally you have only limited permissions. Spyglass, video review. Okay, I think this is more or less ready. And access, theme setting, password change, I will give you permission. Let's go down and see your user.
আর্কাইভ করবেন
Oh, sorry. Okay, so it's empty right now. There is nothing. If you see, yeah, these filters are there. Okay, maybe I think you don't need to see this video server. Like there are 2 video servers are combined with VS. 2 video servers are this. So video server you don't want to see, right? Shall I remove it?
all of three দাদা
All 3, these 3 video servers, because it will create unnecessary confusion.
যেটা दे आर गेटिंग ingest फाइल ingest फोल्डर का फाइल
एग्जैक्टली वो तो सब कुछ है तो दे डोंट नीड इट सो restriction is also quite easy I can just go to user management go to access filter
archive
archive okay click on this ideally they should see only this maybe it's not applied it's applied okay it was search filter
सर्च फिल्टर का अलग है दादा
search filter so not this even I think NRCS should not see it
NRCS
why will it
user group right
user group let me fix this for them right now then we will see okay enjoy RW even NRCS doesn't need to see RWG3
दादा दिस वे दादा एनएलई का भी RWG3-4 नहीं देखना पड़ेगा बेटा
कौन सा किसी को देखने की जरूरत
हाँ वो फाइल तो इंजेस्ट में रहेगा इधर
नहीं होना चाहिए अच्छा इंजेस्ट में ओके लाइब्रेरी को भी नहीं चाहिए ओके
वो इंडिविजुअली करना पड़ेगा राइट
इंडिविजुअल क्योंकि मैंने अलग अलग बना रखे हैं सबके फिल्टर्स हैं यहाँ पे सो आई विल डिसेबल लेयर्स आल्सो एनालाइज आल्सो दैट्स इट
इंजेस्ट को भी नहीं करेगा दादा वो
ओनली इंजेस्ट सबके लिए हटा दिया
इंजेस्ट RWG3 में देखो इंजेस्ट एनालाइज
pH I think it's fine you all can see
तो पीएच का क्या
ये प्लेस होल्डर empty place holder
एंट्री प्लेस होल्डर
and manage
दादा पीएच भी हटा दो दादा पीएच को उनका लगेगा
हाँ लगेगा अगर करेगा उन्होंने क्रिएट कर दिया तो empty place holder
तो उसमें क्या
Save database entry, and then when they will drop the file, it will automatically change to ingest or finish.
पीएच का फोल्डर है दादा
Folder नहीं, it's not database. I'll show you the concept. I'll explain. Okay, finished and ph. That's it. It's done. I can log out.
আরেকটা খেয়ালে গেছি খাবারটা আয়োজন করে
So now let me create dashboard for you. Okay, it's done. Transfer jobs. Filter. Maybe a little bigger, 3 or 2, and then another filter. Right? Okay. And now I'll go here. I can see finish. No match found. So actually, when I apply permission, there is something happened. Let me just log in here. Let me check it. Now it's here. Okay. Finish. Ingest. PSG. Because pH is not enabled. Device equal pH. Same way I have to do it for analysis. Device.
कॉपी करके पेस्ट कर सकते हैं दादा
नहीं, पेस्ट नहीं होगा उसमें. Analysis. Any.
डिवाइस इक्वल एंड पीएच
Finish. pH ingest archive.
ओ पीएच तो है ही दादा
So they would be able to see archive also. And in case archive is here, yes, it is here. Okay.
सेव
ये सेव हो
हाँ।
गया सर. अब मैं यहाँ पे आपका एक फिल्टर भी बनाया था, उसमें सर्च फिल्टर आर्काइव.
ये सर्च फिल्टर एनएलई को देखना होगा तो दादा एनएलई यूज़र में जाकर ये फिल्टर ऐड कर
नहीं करने की जरूरत नहीं है, यहीं से कर रहा हूँ. इसीलिए ग्लोबली यहीं पे गया, मैनेज करा इस पे, एंड आई कैन असाइन इट. किस किस यूजर को देखेगा, सबको देखेगा.
हाँ
वो तो सबको देख सकता है, कोई भी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. आर्काइव इज देयर. ओके, नाउ इफ आई विल रिफ्रेश इट.
बट दादा ये आर्काइव का ऊपर का कराना था दादा ये
नहीं, सब पे कर दिया मैंने. आर्काइव का आ गया.
ना दादा एक बार और जाओ दादा वहाँ पर ये आर्काइव का ऊपर आर्काइव का जो फिल्टर है उस सबके ऊपर किया ना दादा
सबका कर दिया,
वो
सबको मिला चाहिए।
फिर से एक बार
कुछ नहीं करा मैंने, यहाँ पे क्लिक करा इसको, जैसे यहाँ पे न्यू करा, आर्काइव नाम
archive
दिया
है।
और यहाँ पे डिवाइस
हाँ।
डाल दिया और
और-
यहाँ पे ये इस तरीके से आ जाएगा, फिर उसको सेव कर दिया। That's it।
देन सेटिंग्स से सबको
सेटिंग से फिर यहाँ पे राइट क्लिक करके मैनेज रिलेशन, ये
हाँ,
सबके लिए
I
बना
got
दिया।
it,
ये
got it।
ग्रुप के लिए करा है, यूजर्स के लिए नहीं।
Okay, okay।
सो नाउ इट्स देयर। अब वो आपका फिल्टर पहले से ही बना हुआ है एंड नाउ इसमें क्या होता है, अब आपको एक्शन रिक्वेस्ट हम बना रहे हैं, ठीक है ना। आई थिंक वो भी मैं इसमें बना देता हूँ एक्शन रिक्वेस्ट में, ताकि यू डोंट नीड टू डू इट। एक्सेस फिल्टर, ओके, एंड एक्सेस आर्काइव रिक्वेस्ट। Action request equals archive request, okay? I can save it. Okay. And I can create one more. Let me check it.
सेम आर्काइव
Action is this time equals delete request, okay?
दैट मीन डिलीट रिक्वेस्ट
I can create it.
दादा आर्काइव रिक्वेस्ट एंड डिलीट रिक्वेस्ट ओनली फॉर आर्काइव पीपल दादा
Yeah.
हाँ
No, ये actually किसको visible होगा? Because so they can just search it. Action equals retrieve request.
रिट्रीव रिक्वेस्ट
ಈ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್
Okay. Done. And if I go here, I should be able to see it if I just refresh it. Oh, because it's not applied. Manage relations. Only library. Right? Because what I mean.
ये आर्काइव रिक्वेस्ट का दादा
Request का.
भाই
Extra
ভাই
delete request.
ভাই কিধারে রাখতে বলছিল
Library.
लाइब्रेरी
ভাই কিধারে রাখতে
Retrieve request. Admin. Okay. Now let me show you. मैंने आपका ये request का बना दिया है. If I will come here, how to okay, now it's already here. Archive request. If I refresh it, archive request, deletion request. everything.
একটা মনে হয় আছে আর
Now I set it up here. Okay. Click on this. Archive request.
আচ্ছা
कौन सा column है?
ট্রেনিং হচ্ছে তো অল্টো
I want to see. It should be 4 column. Okay. Now I add category 2. I want to see also duration.
ओनर
Whatever you want, just giving you some example. I want to see also yeah. So it will show this way. Okay, so this file is like a currently archive request. Somebody just sent you. Ideally, it will be automatically cleaned. Okay, so you can just see okay whether it makes sense to archive it or not. Just let me make one more thing. References, spyglass, it's global. Okay. So if I open it now, it will show my report. Okay. So you can see if it makes sense or not. Discard it or whatever you want to read or delete it. So you can just do the relevant actions accordingly. Okay. So like these things we can just fine tune it based on your requirement. Okay, user management group,
लाइब्रेरी
access rights. So I will remove delete. Okay. That's it. Okay, and ideally, this is how you are supposed to use it. And I think what you can do, you can just go through this and play with it. And I right now only ingest files. Here. You can see only files with in ingest with low res. There would be a keyframe also. I will add keyframe also, thumbnail also. Okay, so this is what you can do it. You can create a sub clip also out of this, but it will not be useful for you. You can do it with like like just metadata information. But
Text.
yes.